Hello friends, welcome to Gcentric. So in this lecture, we will start with our Laplace transform. So this is the important part. So we have to see how much ever is required for the network theory. We will analyze that much of the Laplace transform. So starting with the resistance, okay. So we have got this resistance here, symbol of resistance. And if you take the Laplace transform of the resistance, you will get resistor itself. Okay, so there is no change in the resistor. So coming to inductor, you have got three cases in this one. Okay, so one with the symbol L, and if you take the Laplace transform of this inductor, you will get L into S. Okay, so now if there is second case is that if you have got initial current flowing in this inductor, okay, in the circuit they will say here is I0 and this is L. Okay, then you can write this equivalent circuit as, you can replace this as with current source I0 and this inductor L. Okay, so because it is initially flowing, okay, I0 is there already in the inductor. So you will replace this I0, you will give the source for this one, okay, as I0, and here is the L. So this is the equivalent, and for this equivalent you are going to take the Laplace transform. So this Laplace transform will be I0 by S. So if it is source, it will be I0 by S, and inductor it is Ls as it is. Okay, so now to convert this into voltage, you will take source transformation. Okay, so when you take the source transformation, the value of V0 is nothing but I into, which is I0 by S into Ls. So this S and S gets cancelled, and you'll get the value of V0 as I0 into L, and this Ls will be as it is. Okay, so this is the case with the inductor. Similarly for the capacitor, when there is only one symbol of capacitor, its equivalent Laplace transform will be 1 over Cs. Okay, but if there is a voltage across the capacitor already given, then you will replace it with voltage source V0, okay, and the capacitor C will be in this way. Now this is the equivalent for this model. You will have to take the Laplace transform of this one, which you will get as V0 of S. So this is the same circuit I have drawn here, and this V0 will nothing but source V0 by S, and the capacitor is Laplace transform is 1 over Cs. Again, if you take this source transformation, voltage source will be converted to current source. See the direction, it is upward. Okay, so here also the current direction will be upward. So for the calculation of I0, it is nothing but V0 divided by S divided by 1 by Cs. When it goes up, it will be C. So our value of current source will be V0 times C, and the capacitor will be connected in parallel with 1 over Cs. Okay, so this is Cs. Okay, so this is about the Laplace transform for this three fundamental elements. Okay, so we'll see the question based on this, which is given over here. Okay, so it says that the switch is closed for a long time. Okay, initially the switch is closed, and at t is equal to 0, the switch is open, and we have to find the generalized equation of IL of t and voltage across the capacitor. Okay, so now to do that, our step 1 will be same. We will analyze how it will be at t is equal to 0 minus. So at t is equal to 0 minus, the switch is closed. So both of them are with sources. Okay, so L and C, you can say step 1, at t equal to 0 minus, L is with source, C is also with source. Okay, so when it is with source, we will open circuit this one and we will short the inductor. Okay, so we will redraw the circuit here. This is nothing but 2 volt source, and the switch is closed. This is resistor and this is short. Okay, the current through this is IL of 0 minus, this is of 2 ohm. Okay, and here we have got 2 ohm again with open circuit. Voltage is open circuited, so this is Vc of 0 minus. Okay, so now what we have to find? We have to find IL of 0 minus. Okay, so this is nothing but, this is open circuit, so the current will be in this blue poly. So it is 2 over 2, which is equal to 1 ampere. And here again, it is not equal to IL of 0 plus. Okay, now coming to this one, Vc of 0 minus. Okay, so this is Vc of 0 minus, this voltage, here there is no voltage drop, so this will be here at the top, and this is same potential. So this 2 volt will be same as 2 volt will be same as the voltage across the capacitor, and which is again not equal to Vc of 0 plus. Okay, so now if you see here in this case, time constant, okay, you cannot take out the time constant. Okay, at t is equal to 0, we will calculate time constant at t is equal to infinite. So it is open. So if you see, you cannot separate neither the resistor nor the capacitor and inductor. So they have multiple time constant, where we will use now the Laplace transform. Okay, so this is not equal to IL of 0 plus and Vc of 0 plus. Okay, so now what we have to do, we will go to the step 2. So I'll rub this circuit. So in the step 2, we will see that, okay, so this is the, I'll shift this up. So IL of 0 minus is 1 ampere and Vc of 0 minus is 2 volt. Okay. Now coming to step number 2. At t is equal to 0 plus. So this is the value at t is equal to 0 minus. Okay. So this is the value. Now at t is equal to 0 plus, what is happening? The switch is opened. So when the switch is open, we can write this circuit as, before that we will see this is having the IL current in this one. So this equivalent we will take it out. So here we have got, this is 1 Henry and the current is IL in this one. So how do you write this one? This is the downward direction IL, okay, and this is the inductor of 1 Henry. So when we have got that 1 Henry, we can take the Laplace transform of this one. So this will be IL over S, okay, and this is in this way, and this is L into S, okay, L into S, which is nothing but just S, okay, the value of inductor is 1. So now for this one, we will take the source transformation. So our source transformation will be, this is minus and this is plus. Be careful with the direction of the current, and this will be in series. So this is S, and this V0 value will be nothing but IL of S into S. Okay, so it will be equal to I0 into L. So our value of I0 is nothing but 1 ampere. So 1 into 1 will be 1 ampere. Okay, so this is for the inductor, and similarly we can do for the capacitor also. So this is a capacitor and the voltage is Vc 1/4 farad. Okay, so this is plus minus V0, and this is the capacitor of 1/4 farad. So this Laplace transform will be this is V0 by S, and I'll write it directly here as 1 by Cs, so it will go to the top, so it will be 4 by S. Okay, so we do not need to take the source transformation for this one, because when you connect this and this, they will be in series only. So if you convert again, it will be in parallel. So we do not need to convert this one. So I'll redraw this one over here. So this is nothing but, okay, so minus plus inductor, this is S and 1 ampere. So this is 1 volt, okay, so 1 volts. So the value of this is nothing but, again, V0 is 2, okay, so this is 2 means V0 will be, so V0 2 by S, okay, so this is 2 by S. I'll rub this one, okay, we have got our equivalence. So now coming to step 2, we will redraw everything with this circuit. We will replace this one with one equivalent circuit. Okay, so at t is equal to 0 plus, the circuit is open, so this is this is not our interest now. So we will redraw this as 2 ohms. Okay, this is replaced with the equivalent source. This is minus plus 2 over S, okay, divided by, so this is 1 volt, okay, this is 1 volt, this is 1 volt, and here this is inductor is S, and we have got, this is 2 ohms, and the capacitor is replaced with this one, plus minus 2 over S. Okay, this is 4 by S. Okay, so this is the equivalent circuit. Now easily we can find the, if this is the current like this is IL of 0 plus. Now marking the polarity for this one, this current is this way, so this will be plus minus, plus minus, plus and minus. Okay, so I of S is nothing but, okay, we have taken the Laplace transform, so we will not take IL of 0 plus, we will take I of S. So I of S is nothing but plus 1 plus 2S, 2 over S divided by total. So this is 2 plus 2 is 4, we have 4 plus S plus 4 by S. Okay, so we will take the LCM, S plus 2 divided by S square plus 4S plus 4. Okay, and this will, you can simplify as, this will be S plus 2 whole square. Okay, so equal to 1 over S plus 2. Okay, so when it is 1 over S plus 2, so I'll write here as I of S is, we have got 1 over S plus 2. So if we take the inverse Laplace transform of this one, we will get I of t equal to, this Laplace transform is nothing but E over minus 2t. Okay, so now this is tau you can easily calculate. How do you calculate tau? It is 1 over 2, because we write it as minus t over tau. So if it has to come in the numerator, then tau must be 1 over 2. Okay, so this is for the I of t. Now we got the generalized equation for this one. So if you put 0 plus in this one, you will get the value as, put 0 minus in this one, you will get it as 1 ampere. Okay, so this is the good correct equation. Okay, so next coming to calculation of Vc of 0, Vc of t. Okay, we need to get the generalized equation, they have not asked for the specific one. So to get the Vc of t, if you observe this circuit, okay, so if you observe this one, if I pull out this is nothing but Vc of S. Okay, together we have replaced this one, right? So this is Vc of S. So to calculate that Vc of S, we already know that, okay, so we know we can apply easily voltage across each of them, right? So we know the drop, we know what is I of S. Okay, we can easily write our equation using KVL. So it will be nothing but, okay, I'll rub this one. So 2 over S, okay, so when you go over 2 over S minus, okay, Vc of S, okay, then you have got I of S into 4S. Okay, so this is the equation which will be equal to 0. So when it is equal to 0, and if you simplify all this thing, you will get this value of Vc of S as, okay, Vc of S as, I have got the answer over here. So it is, simplify it, 2S over S into S plus 2. Okay, so this is the, this much you will get it, and SS will get cancelled. So Vc of S will be equal to 2 over S plus 2. Okay, so now for this one we have to take the inverse Laplace transform. So for the inverse Laplace transform, it is V of t. Okay, again you are getting generalized equation, that is the needful thing that we have to use for Laplace transform to find the generalized equation. Okay, so this is 2e to the power minus 2t. So again here the tau is nothing but 1 over 2. Okay, so when you put 0 minus, you will get the value as 2 volt. Okay, even you can calculate for 0 plus. Okay, so this is the generalized form for the Laplace transform, and we will see more questions based on this in the next class, next lecture. Okay, so go through this again one more time. Okay, so for following this one VCS, how do you get, and I of S. Okay, so inverse Laplace transform is also important. Okay, thank you.